So no, now I'm back again. I was finally able to put it in here. I was struggling a little bit because the inner part was a little off, and but I tried to put it in and it would just go away to the back. So when I was pushing it in at the same time, I kind of turned the key a little bit to adjust, and it just started going in, and now it's completely in. Now I'm just gonna put it back. There's like a there's like a little hole in the column too, where this goes in, this locks in. This right here, it pops out when you remove the key, or I noticed that moving something. So, but you'll see once you put it in, you'll feel when it's at that location. Right now it is at that point. Oh man. Now I just need to get the new bolt. Here it is. See this one? Doesn't have this. Anyways, it's okay, I guess. They try to make their money, so can't blame them. Everybody does nowadays. Let me see, where's that socket for that? Oh man, I'll knock this down. Don't fall, don't fall. Okay, I got those three. I'm better go no more. I told you. I was afraid I was gonna forget, and I think I already did. Which one goes where? What size is this? There you go. So I just hope this works, man. I've been struggling with my truck for the longest time, but just it wasn't. Should be doing. See, when it does that, that's when things locks in. So that's it for that part that I need to replace. Now I just need to put it back together. This goes here. This piece goes here. This goes over this. And it goes in here. Oh no, I'm too far. Oh shoot. Wait a minute. What am I? I'm missing something here. What the hell? Where's the old part at? Holy cow. Well, this is the wrong part. I just realized that. Wait, no. I was freaking out. This goes here. I'm like, oh shit. Okay. Oh my god, no. I was like, no. Almost done. The whole part is wrong. There it is. I don't know what that is for, but it might be some type of sensor. It senses the way you're switching the thing. I mean the switch. I mean the position of it. Anyways, so that's that. I need to secure this. It was that or this. One goes here. Let me see. Because this is the part that has a bolt in it. Let's see, there's a hole for this one. This one has 3 of them. One of these goes under here. Where am I there? Okay, I don't need you anymore. I need this. Not with that. With this. Where's the other one at? On this one, I think I have one of these. Right here. Oh man, I'm telling you, I don't know why they use... They're the same size, but just different type of heads. This one. This one on the top. I know it needs one right here on the bottom. I think this right here should be one of these. No, that goes on this one. So these two are for that. I think this one is just, it takes one more of these underneath this. Man, I'm telling you. I think I'm gonna be missing bolts. I'm gonna have extra. Should do it. You don't want to tie too much, man, because these are plastic. You know, plastic is just no, man. That's it for that. I got those two. Well, these two go into that. Those two are for this. Now this part is next. This goes over here. I almost forgot about this connector. There you go. This one goes in this one, I believe. There it is. These two, where are they? These two go here. Where's my tool at? Yeah, I bought this car with a salvage title. The thing was all messed up. The how do you call it? The airbag. I was like, how much is the airbag? Well, it turns out it's like $500. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna hope I don't crash or something. Now it's time to put back the steering wheel. These two holes, these two go in here somewhere because it turns with it. Man, I don't remember which position this was. Oh, well, it can only go one way. Because I have this right here on the steering wheel. It has this hole which goes in there, so it can only go. Oh yeah, just like this mark has to go like that. There you go. All these groups right here, it has 3 that are wider than the rest of them. So I noticed one, this column right here, this has a little mark right here, and one of those bigger ones was right on it. So the thing won't be misaligned. This has to go on the bottom, so the wire has to plug in, has to connect in. And let me see if I can put it back in there. It's not enough. It's not enough. If it's going to, this is how I'm going to do it. I feel like it's going. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Push it back. Ooh, I just broke something. Fuck. And what was it? Man, rookie mistakes. You see, should not be that hard, but I mess it up. Fudge. Still gonna be good, but it's just like, ah man, it was one of these. Fudge. I feel like it's all the way in. Now I only have one pin to secure that thing, so the other one doesn't break. Well, at least I know how to take it off, take it apart. I guess right here we can use the bolt to put the pressure on it. Can put it in there, but with this should give it all the pressure that you need to push it all the way back. Look, guys, sometimes like these things happen, you know, when you're fixing your cars and things like that. You don't have all the experience in the world to do this, so shit like this is gonna happen, man. Is it really all the way in? Has to be. I don't see why. Shouldn't. And the thing is not locked. So I'm kind of holding it with my knees. Definitely know what. How does that sound? I hear a weird sound. I hope I did it right, man. I don't know what it is. It only does it without the key. I wonder if something in there is hitting something. Anyways, I'm anxious to put it back in. You see, the good thing when you do these things is like, fudge, you know? It's your car, you mess with it. At least you're not paying somebody to mess with it. You know what I mean? A lot of times you pay mechanics to mess with your cars. They break something and they're like, guess what? You're gonna have to pay for it. Because all they're gonna tell you is like, well, I'm sorry, sir. Well, guess what? You know, this was like that. And you're gonna have to purchase another one because, no. That's not how I work, man. I'm anxious about this, so I'm gonna put the battery back in there. And I was like, did I forget it? No, I didn't forget about that. It's there. Oh, this is gonna, don't clip it. This is gonna be for the top. That's where the emergency blinker is. This goes underneath here. I think I need to bring this down. Wheel adjuster, steering wheel adjuster. This has to go in there, just like that. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. When I move, you move. Just like that. Take out that key so it will fit. Come on, dude. Come on. Fit in there. There you go. Okay, what goes in there? What was in there? Like the little dog that says what was in there? There it is, baby, there it is. Okay, I think that's it. Now I just need to clip these on the top. I know I'm anxious, man. I just want to crank it up, see if it starts. You know, because you're cheap, you don't want to take it to the mechanic. It's not that I'm cheap, I'm broke, mainly. I shouldn't say cheap, because I'm not cheap. There you go. Okay. Secure right there. Let me connect the battery and hope for the best, man. I really don't see why it shouldn't work, but you never know. I think this is the ball that I need. Alright. Moment of truth, people.
Buy houses cash.
We buy houses in any condition, any location, and can close in as little as
There it is.
$791.41.
Nice.
We're not realtors, so you won't pay any agent fees or commissions. We're local Austin cash buyers who are ready to buy your house today.
We buy inherited houses, divorced houses, behind in payment houses. We even buy my tenant won't pay me the rent houses.
Do you own a house or know of a house that's trashed, vacant, or needs thousands of dollars in repairs? Give us a call because we buy houses as is in any condition. We buy abandoned houses, condemned houses, and foreclosure houses.
So visit AustinAllCash.com today or call 512.
There it is. Gosh, 20 minutes. Fudge, man. There it is now. Starting. Ooh, nice and smooth. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. Okay. Starts. I hope this video helps anybody out there. Good luck, guys. Peace.